What's happening today, Craig?
Today we are going to the Lagan River in Belfast to do a dragon boat race for Air Ambulance NI. Everyone's in their Swampmaster ribbon braces and their new Xpert tees.
Yeah.
And got a GoPro on. It's going to be fun.
How do you feel, Cole?
All good. Ready to go. Ready to win.
Alright guys, let's go!
Other hand is close to the green.
Well done guys, well done! I'll kick him. The boy.
Hold up.
Come on. Armstrong, this is birthday. Yeah!
Happy birthday, dear Matthew. Happy birthday to you.
Who won? We won. Who won?
Yeah. Hey, come on!
It says Dragon Boat Race Champion.